Hi viewers, welcome to Global Short Paradise. Hi, I'm Gilbert, and I've just reached my first anniversary of video making on the 1st of this month, the January 21st this year. And how do I do that? Well, I just pause videos for you relentlessly, and I hope that you continue watching them. And I have a new video which I finished, and it's about jungle survival experience at the Kampong Kwap rainforest, and I would like to show you the video. I hope you like it. Minum eh?
Hả? No đọc bài cho Minu no.
Mino, aku Mino.
Mino. Mino din.
Ano na menang?
Bay men, bay penuh no.
Aku dah aku Mino ke tadi.
Aku dah parik ke bay.
Okey. Aku
Bay je no, tiga dia dah ya.
ada mana aku?
Bay temannya.
Dah, aku dah siap menyap.
Bay.
Okey. Penuh. I think I have to go down this wet, slippery footpath. Wow, that's tricky. I have to dodge under the bamboo stalks. It looks it's quite dangerous. Now where it goes, the palm fronds, and looks like there's a clearing over there. Oi! Wow, a jungle clearing over there. Looks like there's a farmhouse. That structure is a farmhouse. I think there's nobody living there. I thought I saw a movement over the bushes. Where did they go? Wow, this field is an edible jungle plants, and I'm quite worried there might be some snakes, a crowbar or something. It's very thick bush there. Just look at the thickness of the bushes. There could be some snakes there. You have to wear some boots, something like Wellington boots. Well, if you're not careful, there might be snakes. Watch out. Looks like there's a small river or a stream where we have to walk across that stream. Somebody once told me that there is some crocodile escaping into this small stream from the Jong crocodile about 30 kilometers from here. But luckily it was caught. Aha, there's a very challenging footbridge. Well, you got to be very careful, it's slippery and wet. Wow, it looks like a crocodile there. Did I see a crocodile? And look there, there's a muddy footpath there. You got to be careful. And another wet puddle there. You got to walk very careful. And slip and you will be bathing in a mud. Wow, did you hear the birds singing? It's the jungle birds. Well, at last we are almost at the main road. No more hazard of the jungle. Well, yeah, we are safe at last. Thanks viewers for watching the video. I hope you like it. More video coming next time. Bye for now.